if A equals mi minus 3j minus 5k, and B equals 2i plus dj minus 7k, where m refers to your birth month, March equals 3, and d refers to your birth date, find the area of the parallelogram created by the two vectors. I have A equals 12i, this is assuming I was born in December, minus 3j minus 5k, and B equals 2i plus 11j if I was born on the 11th day, minus 7k. So A cross B. All right, now we're going to use the distributive law, which you should really prove. I'm just going to take it on, for granted, but you should really prove that this is going to work. So, the first thing is to take this 12 and multiply it by this 2, and then we've got I cross I. Since the sign between I and I is 0, that cancels out. So we'll take the 12 and the 11, and we've got I cross J. I drew some axes here to help me. So we need I cross J. Let's use the right-hand rule. I cross J, so I is along the x-axis, J is along the y-axis. Using the right-hand rule, I cross J is K. All right, then we'll take the 12 and the negative 7, and we need I cross K. I cross K is negative J. All right, then we'll take the negative 3 and the 2, and we need J. So here's my negative 3, here's my 2. I need the J cross the I. So J cross I, using our diagram and the right-hand rule, imagine that J cross I is negative K. All right, then we'll take the negative 3 and the negative 7, and we need J cross K. All right, J cross K is I, right? Then we'll take the negative 5 and the 2. And we need K cross I. K cross I is J. Negative 5 and 2. Did I do that wrong? I need the negative 5 and the 2. Because I'm doing K cross I. K cross I is J. So this I made a mistake. This should be plus J. All right, then we'll take the negative 5 and the 11. And I need K cross J. All right, K cross J is negative I, so that was correct. All right, let's group our like terms. Again, you shall prove that these, we can do stuff like this. Convince yourself that you can. Understanding is more important than memorizing in math and physics. Let's prove this to yourself. All right, if we can group like terms, we need our i's. So we've got 21 and 55. All right, let's get our j's. We've got 84. And here's where the mistake was. So this is a negative 10. And then we have our k's. So our k's, I've got the 12 times 11, and then we've got the negative 3 times negative 2. All right, so that's 76. This should be really a 74. and this is a 138. So this answer is wrong. So we need to find the magnitude of this vector, which is the square root of 76 squared plus 74 squared plus 138 squared. All right, see you in another video. Again, understanding is more important than memorizing in math and physics. So please try to understand as much as you can, and don't try to just accept things that are told to you to accept on faith. Try not to do that. Try to prove everything to yourself that you have time for. This will really help you in math and physics. All right, have good luck understanding and proving. See you in another video.